The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for north-central Chesterfield County in central Virginia, south-central Hanover County in central Virginia, central Henrico County in central Virginia, the city of Richmond in central Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Richmond, downtown Richmond, Virginia Commonwealth University, Virginia Union University, University of Richmond, Bon Air, Tuckahoe, Mechanicsville, Highland Springs, Lakeside, Laurel, East, Highland Park, Glen Allen, Bentley, Bellwood, Wyndham, Greendale, Dumbarton, Roslyn Hills and Solomon Store. Precautionary preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles,